Mark, asan yung system unit mo dito?
Nandiyan na sa loob pre, nasa upuan.
Lumag din yan!
Praise God. So, yun nga pala yung short script ng budget production namin. So, ano nga ba masasabi sa system unit natin, Boss Remed?
Ayun nga eh. So ito yung CPU natin. Makikita nyo naman, sa labas, malinis. Pero pag tinignan nyo sa loob to, naku, baka ma-disappoint lang kayo. Hindi lang kasi basta mag-on ka ng CPU na maglalaro ka, gagamitin mo, kailangan alam mo rin paano i-maintain yung CPU.
So, and also, hindi lang dapat laro ng laro. Mag-inis din kayo, huwag nyo gagayahin yung may-ari nito.
Tama!
So,
clean your PC before your PC cleans you.
Glorious! No, I won't give in till I'm victorious. And I will defend, I will defend. Glorious! No, I won't give in till I'm victorious. And I will defend, and I'll do what I must. No, I won't give in, oh so glorious. Until the end, until the end.
So, nakita niyo na yung short introduction ng Glorious Potato Gaming System. Mamaya pa po natin ipapakita yung kada components niya sa cleaning and disassembling. So, proceed na po tayo sa brief explanation ng unit natin. So, ipapakilala lang natin yung system unit natin.
So, ang case natin ay Aerowall PGS5 alias Potato Gaming System. For further explanation, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Cause you are the reason why I'm still hanging on. Cause you are the reason why my heart is still above water. And if I could, I'd get you the moon and give it to you. And if that was coming for you, I'd give my life for you. Cause you are. Oh, you are. Oh, you are. You are.
So yun na nga guys, nakita naman natin sa kaninang video na nag-boot up naman si PGS natin, no? So huwag nyo lang pansinin yung not genuine sa bandang baba, no? So hashtag no to piracy po tayo. We support our software.
And also, hashtag 10 Commandments.
Hashtag ethics. So, ang paninda natin guys. Baka na natin eh.
So, ito na yung mga tools na gagamitin natin for PC disassembly. So, simulan mo nga, Boss Gab.
So una muna, nakikita nyo to, di ba? So kailangan mo nating mapupwestuhan si ating PV system unit natin. So siguraduhin natin na flat surface. Pwede naman tong lamesa or any flat surface, pero recommendation mo natin ay flat surface hanggat maaari at non-insulating po sa kuryente.
Ito naman, yung suot ko is anti-static gloves. So ito, basically kapag magbubukas ka ng computer, kailangan mo to kasi para hindi ka makuryente.
So ito naman, screw and also a multi-screw. So basically, pang unscrew lang ng mga screws dito sa loob ng system unit natin.
So naman, syempre kailangan natin ng pang-white sa ating system unit. So recommendation is any cloth naman na dapat hanggat maaari syempre hindi nyo ginagamit. Tapos ang ating mahiwagang
Feather duster. Pagka magtatanggal tayo ng dust, oh no! Kailangan natin yan. Ito rin ang ating tinatawag na thermal paste, which is kapag nilinis mo yung CPU, tatanggalin mo yung thermal paste and then afterwards, kailangan mo rin mag-apply para hindi uminit, magkaroon ng heating problem. So yun, kailangan natin dito.
gamit naman natin para sa pagtanggal ay ang ating cotton balls or pwede naman ding tissue lang.
So, yun na lahat ng parts for the PC disassembly natin. So, ano pa ba? Hintayin natin, pre. Simulan na natin to, pre. Umparan na natin to! Oh!
Stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, oh. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so
right
sing
there.
along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken travy, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. It's just the last girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune, and know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note.
Come on.
Make me your radio, and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Let's go! If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take me by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo. So sing along to my stereo. I only pray you'll never leave me behind.
Never leave me.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
So hard to find.
I'll take your hand and hold it closer to mine.
Yeah.
Our love was there, but now you're changing my mind. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio, and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
It's your boy Travis, Gym Class Heroes,
Sing
baby.
along to my stereo.
Yeah.
Got that. Got that.
Okay guys, there you have it. The whole disassembly and assembly of the potato gaming system that is sponsored by Godspeed.
In this segment, we will be talking about the whole disassembly and assembly of the system, as well as the do's and don'ts. What were the mistakes we have made? What are the things that made the process harder? What made the system not booting up after disassembly and clean? But before that, we will take you on a B-roll of what are components of our potato gaming system. Please enjoy.
Got that. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got that.
So, let's start with the components of the system units, which is composed of a motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage devices, and the case. So, let's first start with the motherboard. So, ano nga pala yung brand and model ng motherboard natin, pre?
Okay, so ang brand at model ng ating motherboard is Asus P8Z68M Pro.
And the socket naman, ano yung socket natin, pre?
Ang socket niya is LGA 1155.
So, for the DIMM slots naman, we have 4 DIMM slots. And for the SATA slots, we have 7 SATA slots. And for the PCIe lanes, we have 3 PCIe. So, for the rear and front I/O support, for the rear panel, we have 6 USB slots. 2 of those are USB 3.0. We also have 6 sound ports, 1 Ethernet cable connector, one eSATA connector, HDMI connector, DVI connector, SpeedDiff connector, HDMI connector, DV connector, and also the PS2 connector for keyboard and our mouse.
On our front panel, we got two USB 2.0 ports and two sound ports, which is for microphone and audio devices.
So for the CPU, the brand and model is Intel Core i5-2500, socket type is LGA, and for the core count, it is a quad core, and for the clock speed of the CPU, it is a 3.7 GHz. So for the RAM, so meron kasi tayong dalawang RAM dito. So for the first one, ang brand nito ay Patriot, 2GB DDR3, and for the clock speed, 12,800. So for the second RAM, ano nga pala yung pangalawang RAM natin, Boss Rumen?
Our second RAM is named as Kingston 4GB. For our storage device, we have two of the same brand, which is Western Digital, that has a 1TB storage capacity and has a 7,200 RPM.
So, for the optical drive, the brand and model of our optical drive is Samsung Super Type Master, and for the feature, it is a DVD-RW, or also known as Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable. For the case, the brand and model of the case is Aerocool PGS5. For the form factor, it has an ATX form factor. And some of the features are, ano nga pa rin yung mga features ito, Boss Remen? Nakalimutan ko kasi.
It has a feature of 12cm blue LED fan at the front with dust filter for PSU, all black chassis interior, supports long VGA cards up to 400mm.
Okay guys, so those are all the components of our system unit. But there is one thing that is missing. It is the graphics card. So for the graphics card, what is the graphics card?
Graphics card is basically a piece of computer hardware that produces image that you see on the computer monitor.
So, magbibigay tayo ng example ng mga current GPUs natin ngayon. So, ito na. So, meron tayong RTX 2060 dito. So, hindi lang naman ito yung graphics card na meron tayo. Meron din tayong RTX 2070, RTX 2080. Meron din tayo sa mga AMD like, ano nga ba mga example ng AMD video cards natin, boss?
Sample of AMD graphics card are AMD RX 5700, AMD RX 570, AMD RX 580, and many more.
So, for our mistakes and hardships, we started to introduce a lot of tools to use. But we actually forgot to use some of those equipments, such as
Anti-static gloves. The same thing goes for anti-static wristbands. Make sure that you wear them first before doing the disassembly and assembly. Next is we forgot to mention that you must power off the system unit and unplug it from the wall outlet and turn off the power supply as well. Brush is also used to clean the deep corners of the system unit and also to remove the excess dirt and residues.
So, the next one is zip ties to organize the cable. And also, scissor to cut the excess zip ties. And please, be careful when using your scissors. During assembly, nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa cable management ng CPU power connector natin, di ba, pre?
That's right.
Oh, dahil hindi namin mapatagos yung cable sa likod ng motherboard dahil inuna namin install yung motherboard. So, if you want to arrange the cable management of your system, i-install nyo muna yung power supply bago yung motherboard.
So, overall, PC maintenance is just one of the fun part in having a PC. PC is not just a tool for us to take advantage of our daily routine like browsing the internet, gaming, and etc. Our PC should also be needed to be taken care of a set amount of time that can be monthly or yearly cleaning. It all depends on the user. Also, PC cleaning at first is a very painstaking job, but if you do it correctly and know how the next time you do it, it will be a breeze. So guys, we are the Budget Production Channel, bringing you tech-related content. We hope you like this video and please do give comments if there are things that you didn't like.
So I am Mark.
I am Ramel.
So see you guys next time.
Cause you got that. 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 that. Cause you got that.